Mabuhay ug Madiyaw, we are the Group 7 and our topic all about sustainable tourism practices and destination management. So let's define what is sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism refers to a tourism practices that minimize the negative impact on the environment, culture, and communities. So sustainable tourism focuses on strategies to reduce the carbon footprints, adoption of an eco-friendly technologies. So what are the core principles of tourism? Sustainable tourism. So here are the core principles, which are the environmental responsibility, economic viability, and social integrity. Pa-slide ko sa sa key components. Okay, thank you. So the key components of sustainable tourism is the conservation of a natural resources and the conservation of a natural sources also, where the energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste management. Protection of biodiversity like habitat conservation, wildlife conservation, and sustainable infrastructure like eco-friendly building design or kanang like example lang na kanang mga bani-bani, something like that. And a green certification. So the last is the social cultural sustainability. Social cultural sustainability enhancing a cultural exchange like promoting the authenticity of experience of a tourist. Second is to encourage a mutual respect. So addressing social impact is preventing over tourism and promoting the social equity. That's all. Next reporter, please.
Importance of sustainable tourism. First is environmental protection. Reducing the negative impact of tourism on ecosystem and natural resources benefits include so my topic is important of sustainable tourism. Environmental protection, social and cultural benefits, economic benefits. So environmental protection, reducing the negative impact of tourism on ecosystem and natural resources benefits include preservation and natural areas, reduction pollution, and the social-cultural benefits is sustainable tourism enhance social and cultural well-being by strengthening communities, promoting cultural understanding, and the last is the economic benefits. Sustainable tourism contribute to the long-term stability, boosting local economic and encouraging investment. And the second is implementing sustainable tourism practices. There are three types: developing sustainable tourism strategies, engaging stakeholders, monitoring evaluation. Developing sustainable, creating sustainable tourism strategies, assessment, local settings, action plan. And engaging stakeholders, there belongs to government, business, and the tourist. The last is monitoring evaluation, assessing impact, adjusting strategies. Next is relevance of sustainable tourism destination. There are four types: enhancing destination appeal, improving community well-being, ensuring the long-term viability, mitigating negative impact, At first is attracting conclusion travelers, differentiation, well equally, community empowerment, then ensuring long-term viability is resources preservation, economic realigns, then environmental impact and cultural impact. So next, please. Rayalyn, palihog ko, ikaw na.
Sorry. Strategies for implementing sustainable tourism. There are three types, which is environmental management, ecosystem protection, pollution control. Environmental management, there are three examples, which is the energy consumption, water management, and waste reduction. Ang energy consumption is naga-include siya ang electricity, gas, diesel, oil, o biomass. And then, ang water management, mo ni siya naga-control sa movement sa water resources para ma-minimize o ma-continue ang damage, o ma-continue ang lives also sa maximize efficient beneficial use. O niya, ang waste reduction, ang example ana is ang kanang recycle, reuse, and reduce. Niya, ecosystem protection. Asa naman ito? Ecosystem. So, there are two examples, which is the habitat preservation of sustainable land and use. So, ang kaning habitat preservation, ang kanang mga example ana is ang forest, grasslands, desert, and mountains. And then, kani siya, nag-practice siya para protektahan and para ma-maintain ang natural environment to support the biodiversity and ensure the survival of various species. And then, ang sustainable land use, kani siya, gina-ensure po niya ang fairness o kanang balanse ang distribution sa land of water. So, ang mga example ana is ang kanang farming, tree planting, cover cropping, and crop rotation. And next, the pollution control. So, pollution control, mo ni siya ang kanang example kay air quality. So, ang kaning air quality kay mo ni siya ang kanang kung ang air quality kay good or clear, dili naga-contain ang only small amounts of solid particles and chemical pollutants. And then next is the water quality. So, is a qualification of the ability for the water source kanang para kuha niya ang chemical o biological physical requirements sa mga specific water. And then the next is the economic sustainability, supporting the local business, supporting the employment opportunity for the local resident, reducing the unemployment rate, improving sa economical stability, and then fair trade practices, product diversity, diversification, seasonal management, and then green building practices, and then sa socio-cultural sustainability, nadari ang respect local culture, support local heritage, participatory planning, capacity building, fair treatment, visitor education. And then sa monitoring, ang develop metrics, regular monitoring, feedback mechanism, collect feedback or feedback of the improvement, monitoring evaluation. Stakeholder engagement, build partnership, share best practices, public-private partnership, leverage resources, joint incentives. Strategies for implementing sustainable practices. So ang sa community involvement, engage local community is the planning of decision making to ensure tourism benefit that economically and socially. So, and the next, environmental conservation, promote eco-friendly practices such as waste reduction, energy efficiency, and the conservation of biodiversity and natural resources. Sustainable infrastructure, develop green buildings, eco-lodge, and sustainable transport option to reduce environment footprints, education and awareness. Educate tourists and stakeholders about responsibility and travel behavior, to the importance of sustainability, policy and regulation, implement policies, and encourage sustainable operations such as environmental certification of tourism hubs in sensitive areas, monitorings and evaluation, establish system to measure tourism environmental and social and economic impacts, continuous improvement, support for local economies, promote local products, business, and labor to ensure the economic benefits within the region. So next is the best practices of sustainable tourism in the Philippines. So green certificate, waste management. So ang kuan ani na mga naka-example excuse. Kuan diri sa best practices sustainable tourism in the Philippines kay kanang Palawan kay nadoy ang kanang nakakuan sila og green certificate, waste nagaano nila ang waste management, energy efficient and bang excuse sorry
Bakwit.
Banquet by in Palawan is recognized for strong commitment to sustainable tourism practices, community involvement, cultural preservation, economic friendly, enhancement of the transportation system by
Economic friendly na.
asan ako? Wala na ako.
Bakwit.
Limiting
Oo.
limiting visitor capacity, promoting eco-friendly practices, and strengthen environmental education, tourism management, and community awareness. Next, reporter.
So, mabuhay og madyaw. The impact of sustainable practices on destination management on local communities is the integration of sustainable practices into destinations management has profound implications for both the effectiveness and the effective management of tourism destinations and well-being of local communities. So, diriya so the impact of sustainable practices on the destination management of local communities is sustainable practices are increasingly crucial for managing destinations and benefiting local communities. So, by adopting environmentally friendly and socially responsible approaches, destinations can makakreate siya og positive impact sa environment, economy, ug well-being of sa mga residents. So, the environmental benefits is the impact of environmental benefits sa sustainable tourism kay nagatabang siya protect sa environment, is ensuring the long-term viability sa tourism destinations like resource conservation, biodiversity protections, o climate change mitigation. So, resource conservation is diri naga-implement siya og they implement water-saving fixtures using renewable energy sources o kanang naga-reduce siya waste, conserving valuable resources. So, the biodiversity protection is sustainable tourism practices preserve biodiversity, manipulation, and promoting responsible land use. And the climate change mitigation is nag-reduce siya og carbon emissions through energy efficiency and sustainable transportation options para makatabang siya address sa climate change. So one of the one example of the impact sustainable practices and destination management sa local communities sa is the Samal Island kay ang Sanipaan Marine Park. So, the City Investment and Tourism Office or CTOI of Samal Island is nag-partner siya with SAMPA para to shift their livelihood from fishing to ecotourism. So, this involves providing training, entrepreneurship, tour guiding, handcrafting, and other relevant skills. So, ang SAMPA karon is nag-manage sa park. So, nag-offer sila kayaking, snorkeling, with kanang dawat sila og kanang mga fees gikan sa tourists to contribute the park's conservation efforts. So, kani siya na initiative has not only helped protect the marine environment but also empowered the local community by providing alternative income and fostering a sense of ownership sa parks management. So, next is the challenges in sustainable tourism. So, the challenges here sa sustainable tourism is ang balancing growth with sustainability, securing funding for sustainability initiatives, engaging and educating stakeholders, monitoring and measuring impact, managing visitor behavior, and protecting cultural heritage. So, maura to. Thank you.